Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to sign your name on a PDF file. First, open the PDF document you wish to sign using a program like Adobe Acrobat Reader or a web browser with PDF capabilities. Once open, navigate to the toolbar and look for a Fill and Sign or Sign option. This feature is usually easy to spot, often depicted by a pen or a signature icon, making it simple to begin the signing process. Next, you'll need to create your digital signature. Most applications offer three primary methods: typing, drawing, or uploading an image. Typing generates a neat, professional-looking signature using a chosen font. Drawing allows you to use your mouse or trackpad to create a freehand signature, giving it a personal touch. Alternatively, you can upload a clear image of your handwritten signature, ensuring an authentic representation of your physical mark. Once your signature is created, it's time to place it on the document. Simply click on the area where you want your signature to appear. After placement, you can easily adjust its size and position. Look for small squares or circles at the corners of the signature box. Dragging these will resize it. You can also click and drag the entire signature to move it precisely onto the signature line, ensuring it looks professional and fits perfectly. Finally, after placing your signature, it's crucial to save your work. Use the Save or Save As option to ensure your changes are permanent. It's often a good practice to use Save As to create a new file, preserving the original unsigned document. Once saved, you can confidently share your signed PDF via email, cloud services, or other secure methods, knowing your document is complete and ready for its intended purpose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.